If you're skipping backend SEO, you're leaving money on the table. Let's fix that. Now, backend SEO doesn't just have to do with your rank. It also has to do with some important data, like making sure your unit count shows up. And this is going to show Amazon that you're a better price than competitors. It's also going to show the customers if they're getting a deal or if they're losing money, especially if you're selling a bulk pack. Not only that, you can see these gray areas. Amazon adds these for certain types of items, but you have to fill them out on the back end. And if it doesn't look right, customers might not trust the product. That's another thing. Now, the back end data also shows you different information, like if it's gluten-free, for example. This is going to be an important filter, and this is also going to be helping you rank on Amazon. Immune support, adults 200, it shows kind of everything on the back end. And this is all important data. Now, to edit your backend data, you're just going to log into Amazon Seller Central, right? Once you're in Amazon, what we're going to be doing is going into inventory, manage all inventory, scroll down, and then you're going to click edit listing. Once you click edit listing, you can edit your details. And what you want to do is potentially fill it all out. So fill in all of your details out. Your model name, your model number, your product description. Let's go all the way down. Department name, style, special features, generic keywords, bullet points. We're going to be going over generic keywords in this video more in depth in a second. But I mean, I think you get the hint. Fill all of it out. It's all going to be relevant. It is all going to help you to the best of your ability. If it says wheel type, put no wheels, right? Things like that will help you on Amazon. Now, what you can do to get extra data is look at your top competitors. So if you're looking at your top competitors, let's say this is a top competitor, look at what they're putting on their backend data, because there is areas for this that your competitor has, as long as they're in the same category, right? Age range for cats, 10 weeks old. And let's say this is our product, it might be missing some data on the back end. So we want to add that in. Not only that, to get actual SEO data we can put for the generic keywords on the back end, what we can do is look at our top competitor, copy that async that starts with B as in boy. Once we copy that, we're going to go to Helium 10. There is a free trial and there's a link below, but you can log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to products, go to the product called Cerebro. Once you go there, then you're simply going to type in that competitor ASIN I just told you to copy. You're going to click Get Keywords. Once you click Get Keywords, it's going to show you all of the keywords this competitor is showing up for. And by the way, this competitor is making $1 million a month. So whatever they're doing, we want to do as well. And we want to figure out what keywords to put on our back end in that generic keyword search term position. Now, what we can do first is just click on search volume and then filter it by search volume. And we can see this is the highest search volume that they're showing up for. So customers are typing in this keyword 67,000 times a month. 67,000. So if we can show up for it, that's going to help our sales. Now we can look, and the keyword's cat collar. So we definitely want to add this to the back end search terms. Cat flea treatment, flea collar for dogs, flea and tick prevention for cats. Now the thing with the back end keywords, right? And this is going to be specifically for the generic keywords. This is where you're going to be putting them in. The generic keyword, you're going to be putting in all of these generic keywords that I said. So you can kind of see all, it's just kind of multiple keywords because you don't want to repeat keywords. So if I put cat collar, I'm not going to put cat collar cat, right? I just put it once. I'm not going to put cat collar cat flea treatment. I'm just going to put flea treatment, collar, dogs, prevention. So you kind of just add keywords in and just kind of like filter. It's going to be a keyword stuff. The easiest way to do this is just to go to the word frequency for the last 30 days and just copy each one of these. So flea, tick, collar, cat, cats, treatment, dogs, prevention, Seresto, collars. Now make sure you're not adding trademarks. That's going to be very important if you're looking at the competitor's data, but everything else is good to go. So I would come into the backend keywords, look at all those top search terms, look at that, and I'd probably be adding flea, cat, cats, dogs, and I would be adding more keywords to this as well. right? So that's kind of the gist on how you can do it. And then just keyword stuff this to the best of your ability. And you can click the hint and, provide any terms that may be relevant to your customer searches. No repetition, no competitor brand names or ASINs. So just keep that in mind. Repetition is just putting cat, 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 cat over and over again. But that's pretty much how to do it in a nutshell. Now, if your listing isn't good, this isn't going to work. So make sure you get a free listing audit from us. It's right in the description. It's free for you and it's great practice for us. You can just click that link, fill out the data. We'll look at your top competitors for you and literally give you an honest opinion on why they're making more money for you. And we're going to look at all of the images, all of the data, the back-end keywords. Are they doing better in SEO? Are they doing better in images? Are they running ads and you're not? And we'll give you an honest answer. It's not like your friends are going to give you and just tell you that your product's great. We're going to actually tell you, hey, look, this is what needs to be improved. This is what you can do better. And if you do make it better, you'll make more money. That's it for today's video. Want more Amazon videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And also one of our most popular services is our full account management service. We'll be managing your entire account, inventory, customer service, ads. That way we can do the nitty and gritty, help you grow your sales. You can focus on growing your business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Mm-hmm.